Hello. Many of us already know that Snoop Dogg is an avid fan of the martial arts. His viral commentary of Sean O'Malley's bout was an example of his passion. It truly feels genuine. Now, we see the lanky icon delving into the martial arts, boxing specifically. Before we hate or criticize the man for what he is doing, let's first take a moment to show him some respect. After all, he is a 46-year-old smoker who's taking a step in a positive direction through self-development. He's supposedly had a lot of street fights in the past, some of which not ending up so well, but at least he's humble to admit it. Now, working on himself, chopping on people who try to improve upon their condition is cowardly. It is just an indicator of an individual who will stay in the same spot, attacking the environment to validate their current position so they themselves do not have to change. That said, let's now take a closer glance at his technique. Snoop Dogg looks sharper with the smaller gloves because they are lighter and less bulky. Here though, the weight on the boxing gloves are taxing his overall foundation, thus we see he often looks off balance or shaky from his strikes. His senses are not that bad, it's just he's lacking structurally and it's making him look a little bit stiff, affecting his overall power. Many of his strikes indeed do look like arm punches because he cannot efficiently transfer weight from the ground up, even though he does have an understanding of the technique. This shot here was good, but that is because it was tight to his body, closer to his center of gravity, making it a more stable weight transfer. His philosophy overall is to use his reach advantage, which for thinner, taller fighters is usually what they gain over power, although not in all cases. Here, the stance swap, hoping to catch his opponent off guard. It was cool, but his opponent saw it coming. Not bad for a 46-year-old smoker, I'd say. And again, nothing but respect to a man who's working to improve himself. Here are just some thoughts. I believe building rhythm and balance with jump rope, planks or tabletops for his core and kettlebell to thicken his back, glutes and quads. I think these are a few tools that could help build that foundation. Maybe some form of footwork emphasized stance, just building more awareness into his brain and thickening the foundation needed to keep him stable. It is as Lao Tzu had said, knowledge is a treasure, but practice is its key. With a little more effort, I'm certain he will be able to silence a few more of his haters, although when you are an icon, you can let the world use you to walk over puddles and they'd still complain that you are not flat enough. To that end, I'm happy Snoop Dogg is doing what he does, especially as it's in a positive direction. I wish you the best in your training and thank you Snoop Dogg for this lesson. If you'd like more from me, please subscribe, that's definitely great for the channel. Smash the like button if you enjoyed, it's good karma. And until next time, peace.